Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 70k subscribers. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Amazulu 1, Kaizer Chiefs 3. I'm joined by fan. My brother Ikama Obanu Puma Gupi.
Uavelile okwachelesa lo uphuma Emon Free Eastern Cape.
Ucabanga ngegame yanamhlanje member.
Amakhosi adlala first half second half. Akasijabulisa kakhulu. Adlale flat foot kakhulu.
Yes.
Sivula Sunday, si weekend ke Sundown.
Member. Saturday udlala neMamelodi Sundowns kenzakala yini?
Sundowns ayilenga phela so.
Yeah.
Sayilenga so.
Yeah.
Sayilenga. Now Sundown yethu. Yes. Now yethu. Yes. Siyahlanza zinsa nje.
Yeah.
Nje
Mbashangaki.
Basango 2-1.
Yes.
2-1. Yes. Siyabalenga Sundowns lose, Kaizer Chiefs win. Yes. Weekend yethu.
Mtali man of the match. Man of the match yanamhlanje.
Yes. Migwelo.
Umikele.
Tifaka yethu.
Yes.
Wenza kakhulu.
Yes.
Kakhulu. Yes.
Uthi Sundowns uzoyenzani ini?
Ndiyayilenga phela.
Slicer. Yeah.
Sayilenga so.
Slicer. Yeah.
Sundowns yethu. Sayilenga. Sa weekend ngayo.
Thank you.
Singamakhosi asifihli.
Noma ngezizwe.
Nandaba.